In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a survey as a PDF from Surveymonkey. Whether you're preparing for a presentation or just want to store a hard copy of your survey, this simple guide will walk you through the steps to download your survey efficiently. Now, let's dive right in and start by heading to Surveymonkey's homepage. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a section titled Projects. This is your survey dashboard, the main hub where all your active surveys are housed. It's where you'll manage, edit, and in today's case, prepare your surveys for download. Now look for the specific survey that you want to convert into a PDF. This is a crucial step, so take a moment to carefully select the correct one. With your desired survey chosen, simply click on it. This will open up the survey's detailed view, allowing you to see all the options available for editing and managing your data. Once you have the survey open, your next step is to locate and click on Print Survey. This option is part of the Editing Tools menu, typically found towards the top of the page. Clicking here signals Surveymonkey that you're looking to generate a hard copy, and it brings you to the Print Preview and Customization screen. Now, before we dive further into this section, it's important to mention a key detail. The ability to print and download surveys as a PDF is a feature available to Surveymonkey Premium Plan users. If you're using the free version, you will need to upgrade to utilize this function effectively. For those of you on the premium plan, you've got a variety of customization options at your fingertips. You can choose your print style, either by optimizing for print or sticking with your current theme. Decide whether you want to include images, the survey title, and page numbers, or if you prefer to print without page breaks. Additionally, you can select your preferred paper orientation and size. Take a moment to adjust these settings to your liking, ensuring the final PDF meets your needs. Once you're satisfied with your selections, the final step is to click on Download PDF. This button is usually located on the side or bottom of the customization panel. Clicking it will generate a high-quality PDF version of your survey, which you can then save to your device, print for your records, or share with colleagues and stakeholders. And there you have it. A simple step-by-step guide to downloading a Surveymonkey survey as a PDF. By following these instructions, you'll be able to create a professional and shareable version of your survey data quickly and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and happy surveying!